welcome back there, everybody. Chef Brian here from the Gooder Cooking Show. Mari-Mann Herbs, and as always behind the camera is that character, the bottomless pit, the ever wonderful, knowing high school student that's going to be a senior next year. Alan, that's it, Alan. Hi, Alan.
That made my brain hurt.
That kind of made my brain hurt.
I'm a little confused.
So, hey, it's not because something's going on, but I'm going to work with chicken, and I want to practice safe chicken, so I'm going to have a glove on to make sure. But first off, what we're going to do is, so we've got some chicken. Oh, wait a minute, Alan. We've got yet another new one.
Ooh.
Poultry.
Yummy. Poultry
seasoning, Gooder Poultry Seasoning. What could you use this for? We're going to use it for chicken. I'm going to make you a little dish right here. This is for, I know it's early in 2022, but at some point Thanksgiving is going to come around, and this stuff is magnificent. Super Gooder-ist for your turkey.
Nice.
Just saying. All right, little commercial break there. Thank you, Vanna. Anyway, hey, so what we're going to do is we're going to tap these out a little bit. And the reason for that is if you ever look at a chicken breast, the chicken breast has a very high end and a low end where the breast will curve down on the bird. Well, what we're going to do is use a small pot, and we're going to tap these out. Now, what you don't need to do is assault them, okay? You're not beating these up, ladies. You're not thinking about your husbands when you're beating these, and husbands, you're not thinking about your wives when you're doing it. You're lightly tapping them out, and none of you can say, that stupid old chef, I can't stand him. No, you can't do that. But what we're going to do is we're going to take the pot and literally just lightly tap it out. And Alan, can you see how that's spreading out?
Yeah.
Okay, that's going to be the important part, and I'm going to tell you why here in just a second. So we're tapping these out. We just pull the pan out. You don't need a $58,000 meat mallet for something. You're not destroying anything. You're just lightly tapping them out. I have them inside of a Ziploc bag. And you ask, why?
Why not?
No, you should say, well, why?
Well, why?
Thank you, Vanna. Hey, because you don't want to get chicken stuff all over the place. So if you leave it inside of here, you're going to make sure that you're not spreading salmonella. Salmonella is not part of the Gooder seasoning spice blend.
It's icky.
Salmonella is way icky, especially if you ever get it. So anyway, so I got my glove on, right? As soon as I'm done, I'm going to wash my hand. What do I got, Alan? I got some hot oil right here, right, pal?
Yes.
Okay, be careful. Stand back. I don't want to get you.
All right.
Whenever you put something into the skillet, ladies and gentlemen, you always go away from your body. And you say, well, Chef, why is that? Because I don't want to get hit with hot oil.
Yeah.
So in the chicken goes. We got them down nice and flat. And get my glove off. Get rid of the bag. Let me give my hand a quick rinse.
You can see it bouncing.
Well, now, so here's the beauty of why we've got them flattened out like that, Alan, because where you're not going to have to worry about putting them into the oven or finish them or drying them out. So what we're going to do, remember it's got two sides on it, so the Gooder poultry goes on the one side, right? He's cooking away, he's cooking away, he's cooking away. You don't have to play with it. You don't have to play with it. But he's cooking away and doing his thing. So, what are we going to add, Alan? Mushrooms, right?
Yeah.
Got to throw in some mushrooms. So in them go the mushrooms. We're going to get them in there. And then, Alan, did the chef make your day?
Sugar snap peas.
Sugar snap peas, that's right. In go the sugar snap peas.
Yeah, bro. Those are the best. I don't care what anyone says.
Hey, and you know what? That's the beauty of it is, if that's what you like, then I say that's the beauty. You don't like sugar snap peas? Put asparagus in. You don't like asparagus? Put in carrots. You don't like white mushrooms? Use portobellos. It doesn't matter. Have fun. That's all we're trying to do.
Spinach.
Spinach, yeah. We're going to add a little bit of the poultry onto the vegetables. That way they make sure they have the proper... Oh, come on, man. Look at that. So our chicken's got a beautiful coating of flavor on the outside. That's a reaction called a Maillard. It's where the amino acids are cooking on a hot skillet. That's all flavor, ladies and gentlemen. So let's accent with a little bit more of the Gooder Poultry Seasoning in there. So that's cooking away. It's coming together. So Alan, a chicken breast like that,
Yeah.
165 internal degree temperature with the bone. But with a chicken breast, and remember we pounded it out flat, or where it's more even.
Yeah.
So the cooking procedure will be more consistent, right? 145 degrees, and you've got a chicken breast that's fully cooked. So he's cooking away. We've got the mushrooms. Oh, let's add a few more sugar snap peas. What do you think, pal?
Yeah.
A few more sugar snap peas. I put a little bit more oil in there just to kind of give it a little bit of viscosity. Now, here comes the kicker. A little splash of sweet white wine. Don't tell Mrs. Pehr we're cooking with this wine because she'll beat me up because this is her favorite. Stand back, pal. So now we're going to deglaze our pan. A little bit of white wine. And we're going to let all that cook together. And what's happening is now, as the wine is boiling in with the chicken, you're getting a fully prepared sauce, and everything's going to be sweet from the vegetables. The sauce is going to be there. Everything's going to combine and be good. Hey, but we're going to tease you on this one, ladies and gentlemen, because we had some potatoes in from another video that we did. We're going to bring you back here in a few minutes. So I'm going to say to you, come back in a few minutes for part 2 of this video, and we're going to show you the fully prepared dish. Bye now.